Your smile can be one of the very first things that people notice about you, so we all want to make sure our smile is our very best. Someone who creates the best smiles right here in the Jackson metro area is here. He has helped with my smile and others on our Studio 3 team. Dr. Bo Murphy with Murphey Dental Aesthetics is joining us, so thank you for being here today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
We all here at Studio 3 have experienced firsthand.
That's right.
Smile. You whitened my smile,
Yeah.
Grace Temple's smile, so thank you for that.
Absolutely. You look great.
Well, thanks, of course. So what can you tell us about those procedures that you offer at your office?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that we really focus on is really just, it's not all about cosmetic dentistry, which some people may think, but it's really about just merging and blending general dental care, oral health, with somebody's aesthetic goals. And sometimes that may be teeth whitening, that may be smile makeovers, but it's really just restoring people back to where they're healthy and they have a beautiful smile at the same time.
Do you feel like people might be embarrassed or feel like they're being held back if their smile is not the best it can be?
We hear stories of that so many times, and it's just an amazing thing when once people can relax and talk to us and we can really get to know them and hear their story. You know, we just let them be the hero, and we're just a guide to help them get where they want to go. And so that's a little bit different for everybody, you know, what one person may need or what they want. But we certainly we try to help as many people as we can just feel confident in themselves and feel positive about themselves.
Yeah, do you find people walk out really confident after all these procedures?
You know, it's like I tell people all the time, I get more excitement out of it than they do, and they disagree, of course, but you know, just when we get a new case in or just somebody that we get to know, I mean, it's just really, we just love what we do. And part of that is just seeing people become a different person, you know, and just the person that they came to us in the beginning is not the same person that they leave. And so it's just really exciting to be able to change people's lives in that way. And
you brought some examples for us to see of some transformations. One right here. What is this right here?
So this was a young man who was actually leaving out of town, and most of these cases here that you're seeing are porcelain veneers that we have used to restore people's smile back. And several of these cases, you hear this all the time, where they don't like their smile, they don't like the way that their teeth look, and they don't like the way that, you know, it basically holds them back from smiling in photos. They don't like to take a lot of pictures. And so what we typically do is give that back to them where they can smile and really be confident in the person that they are. So
I mean, we saw some amazing transformations right there from the before on top and the bottom from the after photo.
Sure, yeah.
So, I mean, tell us a little bit about what you guys do offer at your office that makes it stand out.
Sure, yeah. So, number one, I mean, we offer all services as far as dental cleanings, dental checkups, general dentistry. But what we also offer is really just for those people who have, you know, maybe worn down their smile, maybe have eroded their enamel, or they're just unhappy with how their teeth look, the appearance of their teeth. We give them options to be able to change that and restore that. So a lot of that is smile makeovers. That's kind of our, you know, the big thing everybody talks about. But ours are very natural. You know, you think smile makeover, you think Hollywood, but we don't do that. We want people to not know that you had dental work done, but still be beautiful at the same time. But we do teeth whitening, and we're doing basically all facets of general dentistry as well as cosmetic dentistry.
So now you use the term ideal dentistry. What does that mean?
So ideal is really, it's a unique blend of general dental care as well as cosmetic dental care that's really perfectly blended to address a healthy smile plus a beautiful smile. And so the way that we do that is we restore back what people have lost. So a lot of times people can have problems with their teeth, their bite, issues with their gums, whatever it may be, and we're just restoring them back to ideal, you know. And so it's not ideal that somebody has a broken tooth or a worn down tooth or eroded enamel. And so what we do is we just restore these people back and just give them a beautiful smile that they can be really proud of.
What do you want to say to encourage people to take this step to come see you in the office and start getting the best smile they can have?
Sure, yeah. Well, I think a lot of people are embarrassed, you know, that they let their teeth get to a point where they're just embarrassed to smile, and they're maybe even embarrassed to come see a dentist. And I can promise you, at our office and most any other dentist that you go to, we're not judging you. We want to help you, and we just want you to be better than where you started. And so I would just encourage anybody, if anybody does have some hesitation or is feeling embarrassed, to just go see a dentist and let us help you.
Definitely, and walk out with a big, bright smile.
That's right.
And
That's
a
right.
smile so everybody can see.
That's right.
All right, well, thank you for being here and
Oh,
joining
thank you
us.
so much, Angela. We appreciate it.
Well, coming up,